Welcome, everyone, to a new episode where we explore the fascinating world of home decor and design. Today, we delve into the living room, the heart of every home, where we all love to unwind and entertain. But let's face it, designing a living room can be a daunting task. There's a fine line between creating a stylish, functional space and falling prey to common design errors. In this episode, we're going to talk about 9 such slip-ups that might be keeping your living room from reaching its full potential. These aren't just any mistakes, but the ones most of us make without even realizing. From cluttered coffee tables to ill-placed lighting, we've got it all covered. And don't worry, we won't leave you hanging there. For each mistake, we'll also share what you can do instead to transform your living room into a haven of comfort and style. Welcome to Serene Shelter, where we aim to help you create a peaceful and beautiful living space. Let's dive right in and discuss the first 3 common mistakes homeowners make when designing their living rooms. First up is the issue of balance. Often we see a room with furniture all huddled on one side, creating an uneven visual weight. The solution here is simple. Spread out your furniture. Try to visualize your room as divided into quadrants and aim to distribute the furniture evenly across these areas. This will ensure a sense of balance and harmony in the room. Next, let's talk about color coordination. A common pitfall is overusing a single color or, on the other end of the spectrum, using too many contrasting colors. To avoid this, start with a base color and build on it with complementary shades. Don't be afraid to mix patterns and textures, but always keep your color palette in mind. Lastly, we have lighting. A room with inadequate lighting can feel gloomy and uninviting. On the flip side, too much of harsh, direct light can create an uncomfortable glare. The key to getting it right is layering. Combine ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a warm, inviting space. Use dimmers for greater control, and remember, natural light is your best friend. Remember, a well-balanced and well-lit room with a cohesive color scheme can significantly enhance the overall ambiance. Moving forward, let's look at the next set of common living room design mistakes. Mistake number 4, prioritizing style over functionality. Of course, we all want our living rooms to look stylish and trendy. However, it's essential not to forget the functionality of the space. The solution here is to balance both style and functionality. Make sure your furniture is not only good-looking but also comfortable and practical. The 5th mistake is having an awkward furniture arrangement. An improperly arranged living room can make the space feel disjointed and uncomfortable. The solution is to arrange your furniture in a way that promotes conversation and interaction. Position your sofas and chairs facing each other, and don't forget to leave enough space for people to move around. And lastly, mistake number 6, choosing the wrong size rug. A rug that's too small can make your living room feel cramped, while a rug that's too large can overwhelm the space. So, the solution? Choose a rug that fits the size of your seating area, not the entire room. Remember, the front legs of your furniture should be on the rug to tie the space together. Ensuring your living room is functional and comfortable is just as important as making it aesthetically pleasing. Finally, we'll cover the last 3 common mistakes that can disrupt the harmony of your living room. Mistake 7 is neglecting your personal style. Many people believe that they have to stick strictly to the rules of a particular design trend, but this can often lead to rooms that feel impersonal and lack character. The solution? Incorporate elements that resonate with you. On to mistake 8, which is essentially the opposite of 7, overcluttering. It's easy to get carried away with decorations and knickknacks, but too many can make a room feel chaotic and cramped. The fix to this issue is simple. Practice the art of minimalism. Keep only what you need and what truly adds value to the space. Lastly, mistake 9, improper use of decorative elements. Throwing in random decor pieces without considering their impact on the room's aesthetics can lead to a disjointed look. The solution lies in thoughtful planning. When choosing decor, consider the color scheme, shapes, and sizes that would best complement your space. Your living room should reflect your personal style and taste, but remember, less is often more. And there you have it, 9 common living room design mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, the key is to balance style and functionality. From mismatched furniture sizes to poor lighting, we've covered the most common pitfalls and offered solutions to turn your living space into a serene shelter. We hope you found this video helpful. What are your thoughts? Do you have any other design tips to share? Please like, share, and subscribe to Serene Shelter. And don't forget to leave your comments below. Until next time, happy decorating!